This is a health alert for you, and today the Oregon Health Authority confirms the first pediatric case of monkeypox in the state.
They're not telling reporters the age of the child, but we sent our Liz Birch asked tough questions about plans to stop the spread of monkeypox as the school year approaches.
Yeah, they wanted to be really clear today that this child did not get monkeypox in a school setting. They said they didn't get it at school, childcare, or any other community. But we know kids are gearing up to go back to classrooms right now, so I asked OHA about their plan.
Today, OHA confirmed a child in Oregon has now caught monkeypox. Information about the patient is limited, including where they are in the state and what exact age. According to OHA, there are 116 presumptive and confirmed cases of monkeypox in Oregon and nearly 13,000 nationwide. I asked state epidemiologist Dr. Dean Seidlinger about their plans to mitigate spread in schools.
Will there be any strategies, any protocols put in place to slow the spread of monkeypox in schools once kids are back in school?
Thank you. Right now, I don't think there's extra measures that we need to take to put in place in schools to slow the spread. This disease does not spread like COVID-19 or other diseases we worry about spreading in schools.
He said they'd be doing routine cleaning and educating parents on when you shouldn't send your kids to school.
This is why we're asking and reinforcing the message that we give every school year that parents should keep children home if they're sick.
But he says schools present a low risk for transmission of the virus. ODE also weighed in.
We will also be providing a set of materials to school that focus on communication and informational materials that help reduce the stigma that is now associated with monkeypox to some degree. So we will prepare our schools to be able to communicate about this effectively.
When it comes to COVID-19, OHA says hospitalizations in Oregon are down. And they say there are far fewer people in the ICU with COVID than there were at the peak. They tell us 70% of Oregonians are vaccinated. They're encouraging parents to get their kids vaccinated if they haven't been already ahead of the school year. And again, say keep your kids home if they're sick.
ODE says they'll follow CDC guidance when it comes to COVID mitigation. That includes guidance released last week that drops quarantine and social distancing guidance. But ODE says it's leaving the specific decisions up to the districts since they say they really know best for their communities.
Gosh, and we know with school starting up soon, it's just yet another health concern for so
Right.
many parents just to be aware of and to be on top of it. All right, Liz, thank you.